Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. Today we'll be making some okra punch. Here are my ingredients for today. I'm working with some okra, some peanuts, an egg, Guinness, nutmeg, vanilla extract, a tin of small tin of condensed milk, and Irish moss. Here is my Irish moss, guys. Irish moss is, you know about everything else, so let me tell you a little bit about Irish moss. It actually balances your thyroid, lower your cholesterol, improves skin health, digestive aid. For joints, it increases your hemoglobin, which means it helps you to build more blood. It also treats illness, all illnesses like antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial. So there is your ingredients for today. Also, your oats. I have some oats here soaking already. How can I forget about the oats, right? And some, the oats is soaking in some milk with some cashew nuts. So in here is one cup of oats and a cup of cashew nuts. I'm gonna add a cup of peanuts. I'm gonna add a can of Irish moss. So now I'm gonna add my Guinness. How can I forget my supplement? My supplement. My okra. 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 egg, baby cans of sweetened condensed milk. Guys, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. The salt makes everything taste better. Just a pinch. So now everything is in. I'm just gonna blend it. Here is your okra punch. Guys, this actually can replace a meal. It's a meal replacement. It's full of everything that's good. And remember the health benefits in okra, the Irish moss, the peanuts, the cashew, lots of protein there. All right, iron, calcium, all there. And thank you guys for tuning in today. And as you know, I usually do my scripture of the day. Today's scripture is coming from Proverbs 15, verse 1. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but harsh words stirs up anger. All right, guys? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, walk on with hope in your heart, and you will never walk alone. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you will never walk alone. Guys, take my scripture today and take my motivation message today and think of it. And remember that Fergie loves you, and I'm thanking you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Enjoy your punch today. Enjoy it, and Fergie will see you soon. Bye-bye.